What is cracking, you fish in Jamoke's Eastern PA fishing here? Andy Candy on the scene. We're under the bridge. You know what that means. We're about to catch some fish. And there we go. Oh snap, there we go. Another decent panfish. Look at the long ear on there. Beautiful little red breast. See ya. Oh, that's a trout. That was 100% a trout out there. But we doubled up on Sunny.
Shoulders.
Dude, there is a trout out there though. One of us might be able to get him. There's mine. There's Andy's. Spot is gas. Oh snap, there we go. I got another. Oh man, another. Oh, you got him. Nice, dude.
That's a fatty.
Andy with another. I can't believe there's another trout out there though. There's got to be a way to catch him. Oh, he's right in front of me, dude. Oh, there we go. That's a bass. Don't come off, little smallie. Yeah, dude. There we go. First bass of the day. Hopefully some more to come. See ya.
See you, bass, and hello, Sunny.
Dude, this fishing spot is absolutely loaded. Not necessarily catching the biggest fish, but we are catching fish after fish, which is just as good, especially when there aren't really too many big fish around to be caught. Oh. Oh, you got another one too?
Yep.
Doubled up again, dude.
Double Sunny.
It's like the triple double. Oh. You got another one?
Dude, right here.
Man, dude. Oh, that's a decent one. Another. He's ready to go. Right in front of us. Yo, move down this way. There's some shoulders here, dude. Look at that one. We can lip him. Lippable Sunny. It's a good one. Oh, I saw that. He had it. Dude, this is so much fun. I don't care what anybody says about panfish. They're a fun fish to catch. Like, when's the last time you went out and caught 20 bass in one day? Then of course there'll be the person that says, oh yeah, I did that yesterday. And there we go.
Woo, we got some yelling. That's a big. Oh my god.
Yeah, dude.
Felt like I was pulling in a bass, dude.
Yeah, when they first hit, they were like crazy. Oh man, this one just hammered it. A couple feet in front of me. There's a nice little smallmouth. There's another one for Andy. I was about to say, a lot of these sunnies are like a little messed up. Looks like they've been caught so many times before. Probably by me. Here we go. Another one. Dang, that is a big sunny. Wow. This might be the biggest one I've caught. Yeah, this is definitely the biggest one I've caught today. Dude, they have taken all the paint off my spinner. It used to be black and now it's completely white. That's crazy, dude. Look at this, dude. That is a big old sunny. As big as my hand. Wild. This is a great spot, man. So you have a black spinner and I have a white spinner then. That's kind of cool. Yeah, it's a nice spinner. It's one of my favorites. Oh man, that dude was crazy. So was this guy. Oh man, that was a big old green sunfish. That would have been the biggest green sunfish I've caught all day. And I think probably the only green sunfish I've caught all day, but I didn't catch him. This guy got it. It's like every cast. Another, and this one pooped on me. See ya, homie. Damn, dude, I wonder what the grand fish total is right now. Quite a few. I stopped counting after the first sunny. Oh, this guy hammered it. That's another nice one too. Man, that is another big one. We're getting bigger. Oh no, I didn't even get to show the camera that one. Oh, what do you got?
We got a bass, baby.
Oh, there you go. Andy with a smallmouth. Bring him over, yo. Only the second bass of the day. Still definitely not a bad one compared to what we've been catching so far. Sweet, dude. Heck yeah, man. Oh, here we go. Oh man, I didn't realize it shallowed out so much on this side. Remember last time we were swimming through it? Oh dude, you got something coming at it.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, that is a nice smallmouth out there, dude.
Oh, okay.
He came after your thing. Oh, there he is.
Get it?
Oh, I had him. I can't believe I lost that smallie. We'll settle for sunnies. Here we go, another sunny. These ones are all pooping on me. There you go. Andy with another. Makes the grand total 54. There's a trout out there. There's a nice bass. Oh, you got a sunny though. There we go. There's another one. Oh, there we go. Continuing the saga of catching sunnies. Whoa, whoa, dog. Another. Just like the 50 others.
Another pair of shoulders, courtesy of Andy Candy.
Never been so psyched about catching a billion sunnies. Non-stop action, dude. That's another big one. Ow! He did not want to be handled.
Here we go. Another pair of shoulders.
Doubling up. And this guy's fighting good.
This is a triple double.
Damn, this guy's pretty husky. Man, this sunny has some weight to him, man. Like, that's a thick sunny. Look at the girth on that dude. Oh, he's ready to go. Oh man, too much fun. Too much fun down here at the creek today. Sometimes that's what you need. You're going out, you're not catching many big fish. Just go down to the creek, set your goals a little bit lower, have a ton of fun. I think we can go down just a little bit further. You got a nice one? I got another one too. Oh man, that's another big one. Man, look at that dude. That guy had a mouth. There's another big sunny. It's time to head back up the creek. Andy has some prior dinner arrangements. Needs to answer the dinner bell. So we're gonna fish our way back and hopefully catch just as many fish. Hopefully one of us will catch one of those trout. What a good day of fishing. Got him?
You saw here first, ladies and gentlemen. One fat pair of shoulders.
Oh, there you go. That's a bluegill. His first bluegill for the day. Heck yeah, man. Ooh, this is definitely the smallest one of the day. And look at that, he got every single hook. There we go, smallest one of the day. Small fry. There's another one. Another nice red breast. It's a pretty one. Get him in the light a little bit. Got a nice sheen to him. Pre-oiled sunny. Oh no. How did I do that? Well, there goes my spinner. Try a little top water. See if we can get a little top water action going on these sunnies. Oh man. Time to try some top water since I broke off and I'm too lazy to retie a leader. And Andy broke off, so he's gonna try another spinner because that's my dude and he liked them spinners. Oh snap, getting some top water action already. Oh. Oh, there we go. Top water sunny. Got him. I knew it was only a matter of time before one of them would take that popper.